So when you're looking for something at night, start looking for things, come find them, reach around. Flashlight is really good for that. Simple. I like the flashlight. It's powerful, very light, very bright. You guys can see that. Today we're going to bring a solar charging station. Now this is perfect if you're going to go outdoors, camping, or long trips. Now, if you guys can see, it is charging with even with the normal lights that I have in the studio. Is charging right now with the solar panel. Of course, I always leave this in my front of the car in the dashboard so it can continue charging. Now, it does have two USBs, Type A, and in the center there is a micro USB. This is to actually charge the station. If it's not getting fast enough charge through the actual solar panel, you can actually charge it up. Now, there is a power button here on the side, and this is to turn on the actual flashlight and to start the system up, because you could actually charge other devices other than just charging your phones. You could charge LED lights too. So it comes with a little handle, if you guys can see, a little clip, so you could clip this either on your tent or your backpack. So the charging station is perfect. You could be charging two devices, if you guys can see that, and automatically you could leave it in the sun while it's charging. You could leave this part in the sun, not the phones themselves, but just this part. I like the LED light. I like that it has a compass in the back in case you get lost. There's a lot. You could set this up on your backpack, on your trails. This is a perfect companion for you to go camping. You could light up other devices with it too. If you have LED lights that connect to USB Type A, you can light them up. You could use this for battery and then charge it through the day and use it through the night. So I like that you could take two different devices. We have an Apple device and a Droid device charging from the same station. Now, one thing that you gotta have to remember is that the power source is right here in the bottom. If you hold on to it, it's gonna turn on the light. Now, if you click on it again, it's gonna show a different tone. This is kind of an SOS for emergencies, and then of course a flash even faster. So this flashlight is very handy, of course, and I like the actual fact that you could charge other stations. All right, when I'm playing games, I'm always running out of actually power, so I'm always have this on right in my next to me, just so I could continue charging the actual station. I got a long cable. I could be wearing them at the same time, making sure that I'm charging my actual headset. So it's not a bad item. I like to have it right next to me as an emergency all the time, even though that I carry this in my car and I put it in my dashboard all the time so I could continue charging. And then I know it's always full. There's always power in here. Guaranteed there's always power because of the sun. So I like to carry it around, have it here right next to my desk. So when I'm playing games, I like to make sure that, I'm charging my headsets too. All right, let's go. Go. Keep walking.